Hello, my dear friends. It is day 13. We are back here again. As you might have watched the short, now let's continue the full video. So, let's start with how the day was, general feedback, and an overview. It was a really hectic day, but still, it was one of the good ones. It gave me a sense of relief. Finally, after a lot of days, we will discuss a lot of things today as well. Stay tuned. Watch the full video. Okay. So I woke up at the time, but my head was feeling heavy. I was too sleepy, so I slept back. I actually lied down again for a while, and I don't know when did I fall asleep again. I had lab from 8 to 10, and I then woke up at around 8:14 or 15 when I got a call from my friend. So I woke up, got ready fastly, and I could not get time for the breakfast. I rushed to the I rushed to the lab. The lab was of malware analysis. I did eat two bananas though, but I was still feeling hungry. Okay. After that, after that, when I went to the lab, then I came back to my room back with my friends. We played some music, worked on a project, had amazing paneer paratha my friend had bought from his home. Auntie Jade cooked it so well. I just wish I could have another one right now. And as I might have told you guys yesterday as well, I had texted our head of department yesterday, and he asked me to meet at 3 p.m. today. But the problem here is that we had another class today was at 2 to 4 p.m. The class was of INS, and the teacher had told us specifically that this class was very important to attend. So I texted my HOD in the morning. He did not reply, but he did see the message. So when my class got over, the INS class, then I texted him again that I said, "Are you available right now?" He didn't reply again. He just saw my message and said nothing. After that, I went to the HOD office. I just straight in barged in. The receptionist said that where are you going? Talk to me first. You cannot go directly inside. So I went and talked to her. She said that HOD sir is not available right now. Wait outside and he will come. I waited for 2 to 3 minutes outside. Then I met some fourth year students. They were also looking for the same teacher or HOD, let's say. So they were going to third floor later on when they could not find him on the in the HOD office. So I also went there with them, and he happened to be there in his about the other office. Basically, he has I think 3 offices around the academic department. So he was in the second floor one. So we went there. The two fourth year guys went in first, and they whatever they had to do, they did that. And when they came outside, then I got in. I talked about my project to the HOD sir, and uh, let me tell you guys, it feels very nice to be heard, to be listened properly, and to be understood. He actually gave me 15 to 20 minutes, which even had junior, let's say, the teachers who are working under, even those teachers did not give me that much time. And he gave me that much time and had listened properly. He gave his inputs, and he encouraged me. He appreciated that I'm thinking about this, I'm thinking this side. He said I will get a lot of learnings from this. I should pursue this, and we also discussed a lot of other things as well, which was not directly related to the project, but it was let's say an overview from outside. If you look at it, then what are the factors that might be that such a system is not right now applicable here, and what are the plans he has, what he wants to happen in the campus, like how he wants everything to be digitalized, and a lot of more things. I cannot mention all of it right now, but it was good. And I finally got a sense of relief that yes, I can work on this project. I will not have to drop it just because it is not a it is a website, so called. The teachers I talked to earlier, they did not understand that they like, even though from outside it might just look like a website, but it has a lot of work to be done. It has front end, back end, the database part, and a lot of more other things that I might have to integrate in it. So it is not just a simple website. It is a, and even then we have to accommodate so much data in it. Like there are a lot of departments, we have to assign all the roles. We have to streamline all the processes, that how the flow of the processes is. It is not that simple. I have taken mini project for the real life problem solving, right? So that is what I'm doing. That is I want to do right now. They cannot just tell me that you cannot make a simple website and blah blah blah. You have to research work. Anyways, apart from that, after talking to HOD sir, I came back. I went to BCH hostel to meet some of my friends, but most of them were sleeping. Then I went and met another friend who had his birthday today. I wished him again, and then spent a few minutes there. Then came back to my room, rested for a while. Then I might have worked on my project a little, or maybe not. I don't remember. Then I went to the mess. I was really hungry, so I went for the snacks. Then I came back. I rested a little more and used my phone somewhat. Then I got a call from my friend that we are kind of planning to celebrate his birthday, like the third friend whom I met before. So we, the third, how do I explain? Like we had a mutual friend, the one whose birthday was today, and we are all other friends. So we had bought ice cream cake. Then we took it there. We kind of celebrated, spent some time together. It was very nice. Again, like spending time with friends is always nice, be it hostel ones or be it little squad ones. Okay. Then I came back to my room. I did some reading. I was reading the research paper for the breast cancer detection, the reference paper we were looking at. So I was analyzing what are the models that are referred to there, and I read some stuff. I could not even read half of it yet, and I was already feeling kind of sleepy, so I decided to work on this task. And that is it. It is already 8 minutes. I'll see you guys tomorrow again. I really wish you guys all the best. I hope the best things happen to you. Bye bye.